With this CPA marketing strategy, which I'm about to show you right now, you can actually go on to earning about $88 or to $100 every single day right now, just by using this simple strategy. So do watch this video to the end, learn this simple strategy, and so as not to waste much of our time, let's dive right into today's video. So first of all, you want to just simply come onto this platform called CPA Grip. If you do head onto this platform, you want to click on register. Be brought to this page, fill out this form right now, fill out the fields mostly that are actually having this red asterisk signs, as it indicates the necessary field which you must go on to fill in before getting your account created. You can actually skip the field without the sign right now and go on to filling out all the compulsory fields right there. Once you do that, you can read through the terms of services right now, and you can actually agree to that by checking these boxes right here. You can also go on to clicking on register now to actually get your account created almost immediately, and then go on to logging into your account. Right now you can see I'm logged into my account, and to actually get to this page where I actually am right now, you want to just simply come right here, click on monetization tools, click on URL file locker, be brought to this page, and actually do click on create new URL file locker. You want to just simply go on to clicking on I agree to the terms of service, and actually do click on continue. Once you check this box right here, click on continue and go on to creating your URL file locker based on your preference. So as you can see my URL file locker right here, I actually did name this URL file locker the dark web. I went on to selecting the template section, and in this template section I did use the captcha template. I went back to the general, and for this section right here I actually changed this text to something like click here to access the step-by-step tutorial, and you will see why I actually did such stuff right now. If you do watch the video right now continuously, you can see right here in the offer help text, I changed that to complete an offer below to prove you are not a spam bot. And right now for this section, which is the header text, I changed that text to complete a captcha below to continue to the step-by-step guide, and I also changed this anchor text right here to after completion you will be redirected to the full step-by-step guide. And if you do that right in here, you then want to just simply go on to getting a content which you want to lock in this locked URL section. And to get that, you want to just simply head onto this platform right now, which is called Google, and search for how to access the dark web. If you do search for that right now, you will be able to see a lot of articles about that is actually going to give you a step-by-step guide. This article actually shows you a step-by-step guide right in here. So if you do go on to reading through the article, you can actually do see that this is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can actually access the dark web. I'm just going to go back, and you can actually do see that this is a YouTube video that actually explains to you how you can access the dark web. And since this is actually a topic which a lot of people are actually interested in, because a lot of people are actually curious on knowing how to access the dark web and actually accessing that particular web. And you also want to click on this video right now. If I do click on that right in here, you can actually do see this video right now. So this is actually a cool video. What I'm going to do right here is actually going to come right here, click on share, and actually do go on to copy the link to this video. Once I copy the link to the video, I'm going to head back to my URL file locker and paste that particular link right here in this locked URL section. Once that is actually done, I can then simply come right here, click on save, and my URL file locker will actually be created right in here. So once that has actually been created, you want to click on get link. You want to change this particular domain to this link right now to something quite not popular right now. If I do use this up to link, I can actually do customize this, change it to something like this which says dark web. And if I do change it to something like that, click on save and copy the link right now. I can then just simply try as much as possible to drive traffic to this. And to drive traffic to this, you want to head onto platforms like TikTok right now. And if you do search for how to access the dark web, you'll be able to see a lot of videos right now which you could go on to using. And right here guys, there are a lot of cool videos right here. You want to just simply go to selecting a kind of video that is actually clickbaity and will actually help you in getting a lot of clicks to that video. So if you do click on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots and lots of videos. But right now guys, you can actually take note that this video like right here looks like clickbaity right now. So if I do go on to selecting this video right now, I'm just going to click on copy link, and if I do that right in here, I'm going to head on to the platform called Google and actually do search for the TikTok downloader. Once I do that, I can actually go on to seeing a lot of downloading website where I can actually use to download a TikTok video. So if I just select one random one right in here, I should be brought to this particular Snaptick app. And if I just select the Snaptick right there, I can then just simply come right here, paste in that link, click on download, and right now you could actually see that this is the video right here, of which if I do click on download, the video will be downloaded on my device. Next, you want to use that video to go into driving traffic to your URL file locker just by using a very simple platform and a unique platform right now. Now that particular website right here which we're actually going to be using is called the Pinterest.com, and this particular platform right here actually gets an average 1 billion visits every single month. And you can see right now that if you do go into searching for how to access the dark web, you'll be able to see a lot of people that do post about this on this platform. So in order for you to actually do go into focusing on this niche, you want to just simply create a separate account right now for this purpose right now, for this particular niche, which is the dark web niche. And you want to then just simply go on to giving it a cool name right here, because you don't want to use a normal or regular account and be posting other stuff and also be posting the dark web right here. So you want to just simply use a single account for this purpose right now and actually post only content related to the dark web on this particular account. If you do that right there, to actually post your content, you want to come right here, click on create pin, and you want to just simply click on this particular icon right here, select that particular dark web video and give this a simple title right in here. So you can see I gave this a simple title right now which says what is dark web and how to access it safely. Right now you could see you could go on to add in a simple description right now and actually insert that in right here. You could use this particular AI tool called ChatGPT to actually go on to generating a simple description right here for you. So if you get a simple description, you can actually go on to using that for this particular post right now. And also in that description, make sure you're actually directing them to click on the link below, which is actually the link which you're actually going to be posting right now in this destination link section. If you do direct them to click on that link so that they can actually get access to a step-by-step guide. Once you do that, come right here, add in some cool tags, and you also want to come right here in this destination link section. That's where you're actually going to add in the link to that your URL file locker. Copy the link right now, head back to Pinterest and paste in that in right here. Add cool tags right now that can actually help you get your videos to a lot more amount of audience and make that actually a search engine optimized video. And if you do that right now, then just simply going to uploading this on this platform after creating a storyboard for this particular purpose. And right now you can actually start getting lots of traffic to that and actually go on to making money right now, because the more you do get traffic to this particular link right now, the more you do actually get traffic to your URL file locker, and the more you actually go on to making money. So this is actually a very cool strategy right here, because a lot of people are interested in gaining access to this dark web, and if you're actually providing them with a step-by-step guide, they will actually be interested in going on to completing a simple survey or a simple completion of an offer right now to go on to gaining access to that particular video which you actually do have locked in this section. So if you do that, you can actually start making a lot of money using this simple strategy. And I do hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, make sure you do like this video, smash the like button, actually do go on to subscribing to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. So see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and also don't forget to check out the video which you could see on the screen right now to actually go on to learning another amazing strategy on ways which you can actually go on to earning money online.